everybody, and welcome to another Jurassic and Jones Guy video. I'm your host Nolan, and I am so excited today because I just got back from an antique store that is actually here at my hometown, and I picked up this. This was an item that I was not expecting to find. I just walked into this antique store. I mean, I go there quite often, and I believe this was new because I would have seen this before and I would have picked it up. It's this. Okay, alright, okay. So let's just zoom in right there. So this is a licensed Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade bag. And at first I thought it was just the bag, but I picked it up and I was like, there's something in here. And I was not expecting what I would see when I opened up this bag. So first of all, we see the bag here. It has some really nice inside lining. And you open it up, it's got a very sturdy zipper as well. I love the hardiness of this bag. So we pull it out, and first off, we have the Indiana Jones shirt. This was a licensed shirt. As we can see, we have the patch here on the shirt with the Pepsi logo. I mean, it didn't get any cooler than that. And this, guys, this is not like a cheap trick-or-treat Halloween costume shirt. This is a durable, strong work shirt. Let's see what else we got here. We have a Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade with the Pepsi logo. You guys are starting to catch on. I like the Pepsi stuff. Indiana Jones watch. Now, the watch too, it's not made like for kids. That's the one thing that I liked. Like, it wasn't like a little watch that you could put on. I can put this watch on and it's completely comfortable. It fits perfectly, and I was like, I love that because I have some Jurassic Park watches that were like made for kids and you can barely get them on your wrist and it's like, oh, my wrist. Next, this made me laugh a little bit, but I was like, okay. There is a Indiana Jones transistor radio. Can you believe this? Transistor radio. And at the top here, we have a jack for headphones. And we have our tuner. We're gonna see if this thing works. I haven't tried it yet. We'll do that today in the video. That may be kind of fun. Pepsi logo. Let's see what else we got. No, this bag is not a toy. Please discard. Which bag is it talking about? Because this is a bag, but this is a bag. I think it's talking about the plastic bag. This was in really good shape. I don't think that it had ever been opened. But this is a side pouch that this goes around your waist. And we have the beautiful leather patch here with the Pepsi logo. And then last, there was this. Now this has not been opened. This is sealed from 1989. So, 1989. It looks like it's a visor. So it's made in the USA. And we have the Pepsi logo on the inside, of course. It's made out of plastic, and it comes with what it looks like to be sunglasses that attach on the inside, and it's like a hat. I don't think we're gonna open this just because it actually is sealed. Plus, I don't really have any desire to get this out unless I wanna go trick-or-treating or something. So yeah, that was what was in this bag. The bag itself is also from 1989. Everything in this bag was from 1989. Let's see if this transistor radio works. I'm curious. Let's get some batteries. All right, batteries in. I have a speaker here. We're gonna plug it up. We're gonna see what happens. You're kidding me. So, a transistor radio from 1989 works. That's sweet. Alright everybody, that about wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching the video. Leave a like down below or subscribe to the channel. And we will see you again in another Jurassic and Jones Guy video. Have a wonderful day.